We all start somewhere, whether it's trying hoops like J-Lo, wearing outrageous colors that have no business together, discovering the magic of polka dots, or developing a love for leather. Style is a journey. Mine certainly has been. But being Indian, it made it a little bit more difficult. It took me time to learn how to be brave, make mistakes, and learn that it's okay to be playful, embrace my strength, embrace my roots, be wild, and just learn to be me. And who am I? I'm Ammachic.
Get mango burfi and pista burfi, but a 1 pound box. 1 box. The 1 pound box, half and half. I'm gonna get this too. Loading up, you guys. Places like this like bring me back. Like, you know, when you make like, I don't know, you grew up in Jersey City, but like in Chicago when we went to Little India and we get to go shopping in these spots. It's nostalgia, guys. At its finest. My husband will be happy. Thank you. Bye. All right, guys. My car's that way, so let's. So this shirt, jungli means wild in Hindi, and it's done by Miss Shreya Shah, who was hanging out with us earlier. And it's just cool graphic T-shirts, and this is one of the first ones she put out. So it's awesome. Go support.
So this is my world, and I'm thrilled you joined me. Here's to many more adventures together. Cheers on the sheet.